This video is about 25 of the most common acronyms and their meanings. ATM. Automated teller machine. Automated teller machine. Acronyms. Mars and Maurice, the founders. Mars and Maurice, the founders. Wi-Fi. Wireless fidelity. Wireless fidelity. LED. Light emitting diode. Light emitting diode. GPS. Global positioning system. Global positioning system. USB. Universal serial bus. Universal serial bus. SMS. Short message service. Short message service. FBI. Federal Bureau of Investigation. Federal Bureau of Investigation. CIA. Central Intelligence Agency. Central Intelligence Agency. NASA. National Aeronautics and Space Administration. National Aeronautics and Space Administration. PDF. Portable document format. Portable document format. www. World Wide Web. World Wide Web. SIM. Subscriber Identity Module. Subscriber Identity Module. FAQ. Frequently Asked Questions. Frequently Asked Questions. IQ. Intelligence Quotient. Intelligence Quotient. OCD. Obsessive Compulsive Disorder. Obsessive Compulsive Disorder. SOS. An internationally recognized signal of distress in radio code. An internationally recognized signal of distress in radio code. Laser. Light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. Light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. Zip code. Zone Improvement Plan. Zone Improvement Plan. Time Magazine. The International Magazine of Events. The International Magazine of Events. CAPTCHA. Completely automated public Turing test to tell computers and humans apart. Completely automated public Turing test to tell computers and humans apart. GIF. Graphics Interchange Format. Graphics Interchange Format. PC. Personal Computer. Personal Computer. CD-ROM. Compact Disc Read-Only Memory. Compact Disc Read-Only Memory. UNICEF. United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. Do you know any others? Please write them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.